Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best mechanical keyboard under $100. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Gamakay. Model number, Gamakay K66. Gateron switch, a sports level mechanical switch, to meet the player's hand. Detachable USB Type-C cable, USB 3.1. Data transmission speed can 40 Gbps. Polymethyl methacrylate acrylic casting body, implicit and publicity. Glaze appearance, at the same time increase the surface of atomization treatment, more even light transmission. Built in a variety of cool lighting mode, optional choice, RGB color, optional collocation, personality adjustment, their favorite color. Ergonomic design, no feel fatigue after long-term use. Plug and play, drive-free setting, FN adjustment, light effect, bass and keyboard light effect control separately. Number 4. Brand name, Moto Speed. Model number, CK82. Designed with ultra-thin, lightweight, small size and concise outlook, CK82 keyboard is handy. 87 keys compact portable mechanical gaming keyboard with custom mechanical feeling keyboard switches. Designed for longevity with greater durability and responsiveness. The switches are of the highest quality, tested for 50 million keystrokes. In 14 dynamic RGB backlight effects and supports custom editing of backlight effects. Enjoy a more immersive, colorful typing and gaming experience. Support commonly used game mode button backlight and custom recording key backlight function. Number 3. Brand name, Red Thunder. Model number, K900. Almost all membrane keyboards are advertised as having a mechanical feel, but not all keyboards really do. Red Thunder K900 keyboard features a crater structure that is closest to the mechanical feel, and features a high-quality conductive film that has been tested for 1 million presses. Its 2 millisecond response time is the fastest in non-mechanical keyboards. Semi-mechanical version uses semi-mechanical structure. It combines a membrane keyboard with mechanical switches, so it has the advantages of both mechanical and membrane keyboard. It guarantees the sense of paragraph. Each switch has passed the 60 million keystroke test of professional equipment. High-quality durable ABS structure to ensure the long-term service. The transparent switches ensure better light transmission for better backlit effect. The keyboard uses the latest RGB lighting solutions. You can switch dozens of lighting effects without installing any drivers. The lights are divided into 6 custom areas, each of which can be changed independently of 7 colors, so there are a total of 42 color combinations, including single and mixed colors. In addition, it also has a variety of built-in lighting changes modes, including streamer mode, breathing mode, cycle mode, horse racing mode and so on. Type precisely, comfortably and quickly with the Red Thunder K900 keyboard, you will enjoy a new fluidity. The 12 multimedia shortcuts you need to adjust your audio without interrupting your game. The 25 anti-ghosting keys contain almost all keys commonly used in games. Press them at the same time. Each key can respond accurately and quickly. Number 2. Brand name, Ala. Model number, F2088. Wired gaming keyboard has multi-function alloy luminous knob. Long press 3S can control media volume, backlight brightness, backlight effect. 3 tactile media keys control all operations from brightness to volume via. The 22 kinds of cool backlight effects can bring you into a great gaming atmosphere. You can also adjust the brightness and breathing modes of the backlight according to your preference. Simple and easy to operate. Number 1. Brand name, Skylum. Model number, SK61. 100% brand new and high quality. 61 mechanical keys with poker standard alignment. Over 100 million times keystroke life, 2 times longer than the traditional mechanical axis. ABS bottom shell, double color ABS, PBT keycap, classic and fashion. Waterproof, dustproof, anti-corrosion. 3-layer programmable download mode. Wonderful shining backlight, 16 million color RGB lighting effects to meet the demands of gamers.